How to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. You will land to the profile page. At the top right, you will find 3 bars. Tap on it. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Now open the option notifications. Now over here, you can find the option of quiet mode. Automatically mute notifications at night or whenever you need to focus. Open this option. When you toggle on for this option, they will mute your notifications. Likewise, your status and auto reply will be updated to in quiet mode during the time that you choose. From here, you can easily turn off this. All you have to do is toggle off. Click on turn off quiet mode. And with that, you have just disabled quiet mode in your Instagram account. So this is how you can easily turn off quiet mode on Instagram. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.